Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Nora. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the AI YouTube Masterclass before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure you watch this video until the end to avoid losing your money. First and foremost, be careful about the website where you purchase the product. Right now, it's only available on the official website. To make things easier for you, I've included the official website link in the video description and the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of the screen to share my experience and help you decide if the AI YouTube Masterclass is right for you. What is the AI YouTube Masterclass? The AI YouTube Masterclass is a comprehensive training program that dives deep into the world of YouTube content creation. It covers a wide range of topics, including video optimization, audience targeting, and monetization strategies. By incorporating AI technologies, the course provides insights and recommendations tailored to each participant's unique needs and goals. Features and benefits. One of the standout features of the AI YouTube Masterclass is its use of AI algorithms to analyze and optimize video content. This innovative approach helps creators identify trends, understand audience preferences, and refine their content strategy for maximum impact. The course also offers practical tips on improving video quality, boosting SEO, and increasing viewer engagement. Why choose the AI YouTube Masterclass? With the digital landscape becoming more competitive, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success on YouTube. The AI YouTube Masterclass offers a comprehensive solution for creators looking to elevate their content and grow their audience. By leveraging the power of AI, participants gain access to valuable insights and strategies that can significantly enhance their channel's performance. How does it work? The AI YouTube Masterclass follows a structured curriculum, divided into modules covering various aspects of YouTube content creation. Participants have access to video tutorials, downloadable resources, and live Canvas sessions with industry experts. Additionally, the course uses AI-driven analytics to provide personalized recommendations and track progress over time. Pros and cons. Pros: cutting-edge AI technologies for content optimization. Comprehensive training on various aspects of YouTube marketing. Personalized recommendations tailored to individual needs. Ongoing support and resources for continued growth. Cons: requires a time commitment to fully grasp and implement the strategies. Limited availability of live Canvas sessions may hinder immediate support. Who should use it? The AI YouTube Masterclass is ideal for aspiring YouTubers, seasoned content creators, and digital marketers looking to leverage the power of AI for success on the platform. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to scale your channel to new heights, this course offers valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, the AI YouTube Masterclass provides a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to succeed in the competitive world of YouTube content creation. By leveraging AI technologies, participants gain access to invaluable insights and strategies that can significantly boost their channel's performance. Whether you're a novice or an experienced creator, this course offers the tools and resources you need to thrive in the digital age. Make sure to check out the official website link in the video description and the first comment for more details.